When one is in the bodily platform of life, when one considers his body to be his self, he wants to enjoy through sense gratification. But then when he comes to the intellectual platform, then that is the jnana kanda section. That part of the Vedas are leading him to mukti, liberation. Bhukti and mukti, liberation. But Prabhupada is pointing out here that the Vedic understanding is that liberation is, or renunciation is of two kinds, negative and positive. There is an endeavour for negative liberation. Like a prisoner thinks that going out of the prison is the goal of life. And if he tries to escape from the prison by digging a tunnel or scaling the wall, he may get out of the prison, but he is not really going free. The police will be after him. So that is the negative liberation. But the positive liberation, the real way to get out of the prison is appeal to the king. I'm sorry, I made a mistake, and I promise I'll never do such mistake. Never commit such mistake. I'm surrendering myself unto you, and I'll simply serve you, I'll abide by your laws, and so forth. Then the king says, okay, fine, release him. The king may not release him straight away. The king, after receiving that appeal, the king may send a message to the prison authorities. The such and such prisoner has made this appeal, so watch him, how he is behaving. And so the prison authorities start to watch him, and also at the same time starts to treat him in a special way. And when they see that he is acting properly, then they use him as a role model to demonstrate to the other prisoners that look, act like him, behave like him, and you'll get also these facilities. And then the king gets the report, he is acting so nicely. And then the king feels, well, I need a good servant. So the king says, okay, send him to my palace. So that is the positive liberation from prison to the palace of the king. And even when he is in the prison, he is not treated like a prisoner. He is treated in a very special way. So that is the positive liberation. And so that's why the ultimate goal of life is prapatti, surrender. Jnanavan mang prapadyate. Sarva-dharman parityajya ekam sharanam vraja. Same, the word prapatti and sharanagati has the same meaning, surrender to the Supreme Personality of